kitchens need time to be made, so that's why the teams designed them back in week 1.
The glass? Yeah.
But the big danger they face is that this design now has to work with everything they do for the rest of the build.
That's amazing.
Stunning. When someone's buying a house in Brighton, the most expensive suburb, and a house to this calibre as well, we want to make sure that every finish in that kitchen is 100%.
I really like that.
If they don't get these early choices right, it can really hurt them come auction day.
Seeing a visual of something that just is super high-end and then actually bringing it to life, it's actually exciting.
Daniel and Jade went all out and had a master carpenter make them a giant-sized island bench.
You know, the kitchen's the heart of the home, and if you don't get it right, then it's just not going to work.
That's where you sort of want to draw their attention and their eye to that
what's over here.
interesting piece at the end of the island.
Getting their agent on board with this unusual design is crucial.
So currently at the moment, this is this island bench that we were talking about. From this point here at 1.2 metres, we start on a bit of a curved journey, and it comes down like this.
Bard Block veteran David Wood sees something different.
What did you think when you saw that big round bench that protruded out across the walkway?
Looked like a penis at the end to me.
It's 4.1 metres long. Steph and Dave, they were a little bit concerned with our kitchen designs.
He didn't like the curve.
Well, that's part of it, but Daniel and Jade have also completely changed the architect's plans for the kitchen, dining, living room, and want to make the big island bench double as a dining area. It's this that's really the red flag to David and Stephanie.
A bench like that with stools around it, I've never seen it work well.
Okay.
And I'm sorry.
He pretty much shut us down straight away, which was fine. You know, it was good to hear those cutthroat decisions early.
I've never seen an extended island bench, quasi-dining space ever work. I've never seen it work. I've never had buyers come in and go, I really love that space.
He literally said, I don't think I'm going to be able to sell this for you, which is very concerning.
We need to think practically and what's going to work and what the buyers are really going to want, and we've seen what works and what doesn't.
I just want to put it out there that if it's not too late, kitchen-wise, if you were to look at putting the kitchen back there, I just think that that whole area would flow better.
David is suggesting they return to the architect's original layout.
So we're too late, we're too late.
Do you want a ring?
Well, the other thing is it's...
Not getting that kitchen and living space right could spell disaster for the country couple.
So, you know, to hear David's expert opinion and Stephanie's and say, nah, it's got to go, it needs to be changed, this is the right decision to be making.
The question now, is it too late to change? If they can't, David will be stuck trying to sell a house he thinks has an unsellable kitchen.
We knew we had to get the kitchen changed, and honestly, we knew that we'd missed it pretty well. Straight on the phone to Kingsman Kitchens.
Hello, how you going?
Good, I'm good. How you going?
We're ringing to change our kitchen. We want to sell this house. We don't want it to sit here empty. We want it to sell on auction day. We want it gone along with the other 4 houses. We want it to go. Hello, how you going?
Kingsman, Phil, we're going to change. He's like, oh no, go away, you two.
Listen, do you hate us?
We knew we had to get the kitchen changed, and honestly, we knew that we'd missed it pretty well. Door or laundry door.
Yeah.
Just get you away.
Let's go and measure.
OK.
Got the OK, did we? Wow, someone's pulled some strings
right now.
They were great. Phil said, look, he said, I could do something for you, but we need to work with the carcasses and the benches we've already got.
Yeah, so if we don't get it done in the next half an hour, there's no chance that it can get changed. Colour choice has to stay the same. Appliances have to stay the same. We just have to make it work with the space.
We got together with Kingsman today and they were excellent. They could be more helpful for us. So.
It was high priority, absolutely high priority. The minute I got off the phone, I was straight in to draw up plans. OK, let's do this.
So what we've done is we're using the carcasses we've already got and we're just going to reshape them to go into another space. So we're going to use all the product that we've already ordered.
So the colour hasn't changed, the bench tops haven't changed, they'll still stay the same, but we'll just work it and configure it so it fits into the new space.
So within 30 minutes, Daniel and Jade's kitchen and living area has gone from this to this. Completely reconfiguring the kitchen layout while retaining the same amount of bench space, and they've given themselves considerably more living space and a generous butler's pantry.
Half an hour, we'd taken a massive kitchen, chucked it away, and then replaced it into a brand new setting on the other side of the house, which Jade was ecstatic with it. Dave said, look, he said, I really think we've got a property we can sell now. So, look, happy days, mate. Can't wait to go forward.
Good, thanks.
All right, we'll get there.
But now it's all happy days. It's going to work.